Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find out the complete graphic settings or graphic memory in your PC. Okay, in just few steps, and I'm also going to show you the way by which you can get to know the complete system details of your PC, and it's very easy. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is click on this window button or start button, and one more thing, the process which I am telling is for all version of Windows, so you don't have to worry whether you are having XP, Windows 7, Windows 10 or any other version. Okay, so just write run, RUN. Okay, you just have to write run and just open this. Okay, this, and there is also one shortcut to open run is you can press window plus R button. What? Window plus R button to open this. Okay, here in run you have to type certain text which I'm going to show you. Okay, the text is Dxdiag. Okay, I'm again saying the text is Dxdiag. Okay, you have to just click on this. Okay, then click OK. Okay, it's opening. Okay, so now it's loading. I'm going to show you each and every details what it's showing. Okay, here in this system you can see that its current date and time. My processor is 11th Gen Intel i5 11 generation, and okay, and my RAM is 16,384 MB, that's approx 16 GB RAM. Okay, so now you have to click on this display button. Okay, this display button where you can get to see the graphic memory or the graphic details. Okay, so we can see that the graphic name is Intel Iris Xe graphics family. It's internal fully display device and memory is 8211 MB. And suppose if someone has already installed a graphic card, or some are having Nvidia or other graphic card, they can also see the details here just by clicking on display button. You can also see the VRAM, shared memory. Okay, now if you click on next page, you can see the sound details, the input and everything, whatever you want, and just following the simple steps. Okay, I'm just going to walk through the whole step again. Okay, so you just have to type run. Here you have to type Dxdiag, click OK. It will load the page. Click on display. Here you can see all the details. Okay, thank you.